Let's bring our reporter Lindsay Dentlinger now, who was following the court proceedings this morning. Lindsay, good morning. Another court blow for Busisiwe Mkhwebane, but at least in this respect, everybody pays their costs. Talk to us.
So, Fundo, actually the timing is all well aligned. You would have heard the judge there saying that when he announced yesterday that he would be handing down judgment this morning, he didn't know that the president would then issue that statement while he was delivering his budget vote in Parliament to suspend the public protector. And as you've heard there from Professor Kathy Powell, that was also one of the central tenets on which this latest application that has now been dismissed of the public protector was based on. But why I say the timing works out is that Parliament's ad hoc committee, which is dealing with the Section 194 inquiry, was always due to sit this afternoon to chart the way forward. As you know, they've been regularly meeting to discuss the plans for holding this inquiry, which when they last met, we were told was going to start in early July. And so now it appears that they will have no further legal impediment to stall this inquiry any further. They had originally planned to start it in May. Then the public protector brought this latest application. And we're hearing from the judge today that it just would not be in the public interest. And it would also impact on the separation of powers if Parliament was stopped from proceeding with this inquiry. And the court's also finding that the public protector did not bring any prima facie evidence, in their view, a full bench unanimous in this decision that she hasn't brought a sufficient enough case for the court to rule that Parliament may not proceed.
So where to from here now, particularly for Parliament? You say this has paved the way. Today, what are we expecting?
So, as I say, the programme was to discuss the way forward. I can't preempt that outcome. We'll have to chat a little bit later today to determine what this latest judgment now, how that now propels the inquiry forward. But as it stands currently on the agenda, this committee was to be briefed by Parliament's legal team. We know that there are two evidence leaders already appointed from the Cape Town Bar to lead this inquiry when it does properly get underway. It would appear that the public protector has now run out of legal road to stop this inquiry again. We heard again from the court and Professor Kathy Powell also referring to the fact that the court saying it cannot continue to hear what is essentially the same application if the public protector is trying to raise new reasons to stop the inquiry. So for those of our viewers who might have forgotten about this, in 2020, in the height of the lockdown, that's when the public protector brought that first case, which was dismissed in the Western Cape High Court, and Judge Nathan Erasmus saying the court just couldn't allow her to continue to come back over and over and trying to present new reasons, but essentially trying to accomplish the same outcome. And so I would predict that the committee this afternoon now will finalize its program to get this inquiry underway proper. We know that it's due to be a hybrid sitting. They do intend to also have hearings in person as well as for people to join on the virtual platform. And of course, the public protector will be allowed legal representation to represent her in this inquiry should she actually agree to turn up and to bring her side.
Lindsay, a very interesting day in court. Thank you very much for that update. That's our reporter, Lindsay Dentlinger there.